Okay. So as I said, views are of three types. One is a standard view, and other one is a partition view, and another one is a indexed view. Okay, standard view, partition view, and indexed view. So now what is a standard view, what is a partition view, what is a indexed view? Okay, so normally standard view means whatever view you write, right, normally. So previously we have written some view with the basic structure, like just only select star from, right? It is nothing but the standard view. Okay, and what is a partition view? Partition view is again divided into two types. One is a local partition and the other one is a distributed partition. Okay, so if I create a view, I'll give some name as, I'll give select star from table 1, go. So if I directly select star from, it is nothing but the standard view, right? If I join this one, inner join table 2 on condition, some condition. Okay, if I join two tables, then if the two tables belongs to the same server, if the two tables are on the same server, then I'll be calling it as a local partitioned view. Okay, if the two tables which I am joining, if the two tables are from different servers, let's say table 1 is located on different database on different server, table 2 is located on different database on different server, then I will call this as a distributed partition view. Okay, if I create index on the view, then it is nothing but the index view. You will also call this index view as a materialized view. Materialized view. Okay, you will also call this view as a materialized view. Give me a minute. Is the meeting ID is correct? Manas, you can't hear? Hello? హలో మానస్, వినిపిస్తలేదా? దాని తర్వాత నేను చెప్పలేను అనుకుంటా. ఏం చెప్పలే. యా, ఓకే. So you will call it as index view as a materialized view. You will call indexed view or materialized view, both are same. As I said, what did I say? View means it will not occupy any space. It is just only a virtual table, right? But what is a indexed view? Indexed view means on the view you can create an index. On the view you can create an index. It means that like on the table you create index, you will sort the data, right? So on the view you can create an index. When you create an index, index is nothing but it occupies some space for storing the data, right? So here the materialized view means it is having it, you might call materialized view or indexed view, both are same. It means that you will be creating an index on the view. So since you create an index, that only the materialized view will occupy some space for storing the sorted data, or storing that indexed some space for storing the indexes. Okay, so there are three types of views: standard view, partition view, indexed view. Okay, so standard view is a normal view. Partition view is that if you join tables, then it becomes a partition. So in the partition there are two types: one is a local, another is a distributed. Local means if you join table in the view, If you join tables which are from the same server, then this is a local partition. If you join the tables which are from different servers, then you call it as distributed partition. Index view is nothing but index view or materialized view is nothing but you create an index on the view. So here you will be using standard views a lot. In the partition view you will be using local a lot, not the distributed. Okay, very rarely you will be using the distributed. And index view, very rarely you will be using the index view. Okay, so everyone clear with the views? Yeah, so I am stopping and I will cover the other topic with